It's a bitterly cold winter night, and you are already regretting taking this delivery. The snow is falling hard, blanketing the roads and making every mile feel like a journey into the unknown. You peer through the windshield as your car struggles along the desolate, snow-covered road, the headlights barely cutting through the storm. It's your last delivery of the night, but something about it feels off. The directions lead you deep into a forested area you've never been to. There are no streetlights, no other cars. The GPS keeps rerouting, and your phone signal is getting weaker.